Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to make a GIF in Photoshop. First, let's download the frames we need for our GIF. Here are my frames. Download or split the GIF into separate frames. Why do we need these frames? Let's open Photoshop. We need to upload our files and scripts. Open it up. Find those files. I'll just upload a few frames. Click OK. Wait for them to load. After all frames are loaded, click on the window. Click on Timeline here. It should look like this. Now click Make Animation. Click it. Next, click on the three bars. Click Create New Frame. Click Make Frame from Layouts. Click and select each frame's duration. Let's set it to 0.1, no delay between frames. And there's our GIF. Now let's save it as a GIF. Click File, Export, Save for Web. Select GIF here and click Save. This was a layer. See you all later.